this right here that we're reading, this doesn't sound like a legend to me. It sounds like Paul saying, hey, dude, you go and check it out for yourself. You go talk to the eyewitnesses, because some of them, they're still around. They're still kicking. Paul said, hey, Peter saw him. The 12 saw him. James, the brother of Jesus, who was a skeptic and thought the guy was off his rocker, all of a sudden has saw him. And over 500 people at one time, they all saw him. And notice what Paul adds, most of whom are still alive. And Paul's saying, why is he including that? Paul's saying, hey, go check these guys out. Go ask for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. You go and talk to Peter. You go and find one of those 500 people. You go and you talk to them and verify if this account is true, if the resurrection really happened. And that's the beauty of our faith. Christianity invites you to investigate. It invites you to ask questions. It invites you to look and dig and see, because if you dig long enough and if you dig hard enough, you're going to find the evidence that points that Christianity is true, that Jesus did really live and he was really resurrected and he performed miracles.